to start off this video. I'm in my PJs right now. It's the morning editing this video, but I just wanted to pop in and say I hope you guys enjoyed this Christmas apartment tour. I had so much fun making it and filming it, and this was my first year living alone and really being able to kind of just like decorate fully for Christmas, and it was so much fun, and I love the way my apartment turned out, and I hope you guys really enjoy this video. And if you want any links or anything to anything I mentioned in this video that I can link, comment down below and I will do so for you. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. Okay, so starting when you first walk in, you see this Days Till Christmas sign, and I got this from Target. I think it's so cute, and it's like a little countdown to Christmas. It's metal, and I think it's just perfect for right when you walk in because I have a lot of Christmas going on over here and nothing up here. So I like right when you walk in, you can see it, and it's just so cute. So that's right there, and then we're gonna go over to the bathroom. Okay, my bathroom is pretty simple. I just have this one hand towel that has trees, which ended up going like viral on TikTok after I got it, which is so funny because I thought it was so cute and like anthropology vibes, but it's from Target. So I love that, and that's just right there. Keeping up with just like simple, I had these last year. They're from like the Target little $5 section thing. And this one's green, this one's white. It matches the towel that I got perfect. So I thought that was cute and subtle. And then I just have the pine spray freshener to match. So my bathroom vibe's kind of like a green, but just subtle. This is all I have in the bathroom. Moving along to the kitchen, these two hand towels. Okay, I've noticed a theme of trees that I really love, but I tried to stay away from. I really wanted like gingerbread, all this kind of stuff. I just couldn't find anything I loved. So my theme this year is definitely trees. But these hand towels are from Home Goods. I thought they were adorable. There's also a black one it comes with. But I just have those out. And then right here, this is a new addition as well as the Christmas candle, but it's this little platter from Home Goods. And then I put this candle that smells so good, and it's adorable. This is the lid to it. So it looks so cute just sitting here unlit. But yes, that is this candle, and this is kind of just like the Christmassy stuff I have over here. Okay, moving along to my shelves. On the top is like my most Christmassy. This riser is from the Target little dollar section. And then this, this is from Hobby Lobby, I think, as well as this, I believe, is from Home Goods. I know the globe is from Home Goods, but I thought the globe was so cute. It snows, and it has like the little chime and everything. So that's just like my subtle decor up here. And then when you go to this one, my mom actually made this entire thing. Like, this was like a slab of wood, and she made everything on it. And she didn't have anywhere to put it, and I was like, this would have been perfect for my shelves because I had a painting right there that was kind of like the same thing. Keeping up with the subtleness, I just have this green candle that was from Target last year. It smells like pine. And then this was from the little dollar section. I think I had more, but that was the only one I could find, so I just threw it right there. And then this I had last year as well. And this is on another riser, but it's just this little jar. And then I keep like the Grinch and the Santa hat Hershey Kisses in here, which is dangerous, but it's super cute. And then this is also from the Target little section when you walk in. And then, oops, sorry. And then I just have a Christmas candle down here. You can't even really see down there, but those are my shelves, and I think it's subtle and cute and adorable. And then we'll walk in to my room. So my room's really subtle as well. I kind of teetered back and forth on even doing anything in here because, you know, it's a room, but since I don't really have a door, you know, it kind of works. This pillow, my mom and I dropped dead at, I think, TJ Maxx. I think it was TJ Maxx. No, it was Home Goods. I was just trying to find a long pillow for my bed, like so specific. I'm so picky when it comes to pillows. I'm not a huge pillow person. You're gonna think I'm crazy. But I just recently got these pillows because I realized I needed a little bit more Christmas. I just hate pillows. They always end up on the floor, on couches, and my bed. So anyways, but this pillow is insane. My mom was like, if you ever don't want it, I will take it in 2 seconds. So it is this long pillow, and it's so cute. It has all the reindeers, Santa, Merry Christmas, and then kind of like my other underlying theme is this plaid. So it just has plaid on the back, which
matches. And then this is from the, why am I blanking? That collection at Target. It starts with an M. Magnolia? Yes, Magnolia something collection. This is a quilt from Target, and this is the Casa Luna comforter from Target. 10 out of 10 recommend. It looks like dingy. I don't know why. It's the lighting. I have it in the orange and the white, or like the rusty. They're the same comforter. I'm obsessed. Softest, most comfortable. Wash is great. It's amazing. It's a comforter, not a duvet. Yeah, so I always have this runner, but I usually just have like a normal blanket, and I did this green one for Christmas. I think it's like a little cozy vibe, cabin vibes, even though I don't live in a cabin. Okay, now this is my Christmas tree, and it's like one of those little Charlie Brown vibe Christmas trees, but it is, I think it's really cute. I'm working, this isn't a sponsored video, but I'm working with King of Christmas. I worked with them last year, and I had a white flocked 1 foot higher tree that was pre-lit, and it was just amazing. And I'm working with them again this year, and I decided to get something different because this apartment is smaller, and I just thought, you know, I wanted something different. I didn't want the same tree, so I got like the more sparse 6 foot tree from King of Christmas. If you guys want the link, I'll link it because I love this tree. It comes with a remote, timer, bunch of different settings, pre-lit, like so easily packaged. It's awesome. So yeah, these are all my ornaments. I don't have a star because I was trying that vibe this year. Can't tell if I love it or if I'm gonna change it, but here are all my ornaments, and I posted a lot on my Instagram if you guys wanna go follow me. But my tree is so cute, and you can see it from every part of my apartment, which I love. So yeah, it's just so pretty. I'll show you it from this angle as well. But I just love it, and I love my little theme. And then turning over here. Okay, so over here, this just looks so good with the tree, like in the same image. But so the 3 items on top, here, I'll come closer. The 3 items on top are all from Hobby Lobby. Well, these 2 are. This is from H&M Home, and then the candle is also from Hobby Lobby, and it's like cinnamon scented, but I just got it because it's red. And yeah, so I wanted kind of like that antique Santa vibe, Christmas vibe at my apartment. Not so much bright and like fluorescent. So I love this Santa. I think he's so cute, and he goes really well with this Christmas tree I also have, and then the candle just throws it all in. This decor I always have, but the green balls, I was gonna do ornaments, but it was overkill, so I put back the green moss. So it's still green, but it's what I always have. And then my stockings are so cute, and the one on the right with the S is from Walmart, and then the one on the left is from Target. And I just love the mix match. I think it's adorable, and even if I had 4, I would make them all different. I'm kind of contemplating getting 2 more, but I was like, that's excessive. I don't need it, but I love these, and I think they're adorable. Okay, so lastly is my couch, and I just wanted cozy comfort vibe. I'm not even gonna lie, I never have my couch like this. It's honestly for the video. I absolutely always have every single one. Oops, sorry. I have all the cushions up on the back so that it makes the like actual bottom cushions bigger and like more room for me. It's like a twin size bed. And I absolutely never have it staged like this. But everything else is what it usually looks like. So underneath, I had this tray for fall, and I just put a candle on it because I didn't have the time or energy to think of something down there, and honestly, absolutely no one looks down there. It's also a cheese board if I ever needed it, but it's from TJ Maxx, and then I have a Bath & Body Works candle underneath. And then this candle is the star of the show in my family. My sister has the snowman one. I didn't realize it was like cracked until I opened it, but it's fine. You can't really tell. You can tell a lot on camera, but whatever. This candle, I'm never gonna burn it, but it's so cute. It is a wooden candle shaped like a tree. My sister has the snowman, and I found mine at HomeSense. She found hers at HomeGoods. She lives in Atlanta, so, and they're all the same store. So wherever you can find it, they are so cute, and they come in that little ribbon. I'm not gonna take it off. So along with the Christmas theme, as you guys have noticed, this is my couch. I dropped dead in the store when I saw this at HomeSense. Oh my goodness, it is like me in a blanket. I do wish it wasn't white because all of my stuff is white, and I kind of wish it was like cream or I don't know, something. It kind of blends. But it is the cutest tree ever. It is blanket ever. It is so me. They're like fuzzy, and then like this is just like normal, and it's so good. It's like kind of cool to use, like good to use, and then it's also so decorative and just so cute. Sometimes I put that green blanket on my bed and I wrap it around this seat cushion because I usually have these up, like I said, which is like a really cute idea if you needed an idea, just like wrapping a like harder blanket like around that. This one I can't because of like the fuzzies, but it's so cute. And then this pillow, I had a very specific theme. I was driving my mom nuts because I just was like, no, like I want this. And I just wanted a pillow that had a cute saying on it that wasn't like cheesy and like a lot, and I wanted something red. So this says Home for the Holidays. It's from Sam's Club. We had no intention of getting this at Sam's Club, but I found it, and it has the plaid that I just absolutely apparently love on the back, which is also a cute vibe now that I'm looking at it. And they had a bunch of other cute ones. They had another one that kind of looks like this that had snowflakes on it, which I probably would have gotten if I didn't already own this. This I got from Target last year. It is a tree blanket. Pillow. I keep saying the wrong things. But I really have a tree problem. When I have a bigger place, I can't get anything tree. It needs to switch to snowman, gingerbread, Santas, nutcrackers vibe. Because it's tree galore. And I know you're wondering, like, why didn't you get the snowman of this? I loved the snowman of this, but it was a way lighter wood, and the woods I kind of have are darker, and I also just have such a white apartment that I liked how this was the darker wood, and it just goes with majority of the wood, as you guys see, like, that I have. It would literally have been, like, basically white, so I got this one because it was darker, and I guess I have a theme going this year. But yeah, this is my apartment. It is just so freaking cute, and I love it. I still have everything else like the same. I think it's a lot, but at the same time, like, it's pretty subtle. Like, it's a lot because I have a small, tiny apartment. Like, everything has something Christmassy. But at the same time, I think it's, like, the perfect amount because I love Christmas. And it makes your apartment feel so cozy. And, like, January 1st is always so sad because you take everything down and I remember our house always just felt, like, literally empty. Like, we just moved in after Christmas or something. Because I get this from my mom. If I vlog whenever I'm home for Thanksgiving or Christmas, like, we already decorated when I went home a couple weeks ago. My mom is just, like the kitchen is gingerbread themed, and there's a Grinch room, Grinch bathroom. Like, she's just like obsessed, and I definitely get that from her, which is a good obsession because it's fun and it makes everyone happy. So it's a fun and cute obsession. But that is my Christmas apartment tour, basically.